WhatsApp has recently updated and allowed us to add music to our WhatsApp status. Let me show you how you can do this quickly. The first thing you need to do is to have the WhatsApp on your phone, is to have WhatsApp on your phone. So if you already have it, make sure you go and update it. So I went to App Store. If you're using an Android, you can go to Google Play Store, click on download or click on update. Now you're going to make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated, because if it is not up to date, this new feature will not be able to reflect on your WhatsApp. I hope that is clear. The update takes very short time, less than a minute, and it is done. You're good to go. So once it's updated, you're going to go open your WhatsApp application and enjoy the beautiful new features that WhatsApp has for you. So 3, 2, 1, and so I'm going to open the app right away. Now, this is what your status is going to look like. You can see that it has changed. It doesn't look like what you are used to before, right? Now, this is not the usual arrangement that you are used to. Now you can see status, you can see channels separate. Status here, channels, then all. Look at how it looks. Status, channels, all. So now let's go to status. Let's say I want to post something on my status. All you're going to do is click on this camera icon, or wherever it is on your device. Just click on the camera icon. Right now, select the image you want to upload, the image rather that you want to upload. So I'm going to look for a picture and upload. So I have selected the image I want to upload. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on this music icon at the top. You can see this music icon here. Right. So you can see long list of songs. So whatever song you have in mind, you can search for it, right? But these are the samples that they have here based on the ones that are popular in Nigeria. So you can select any song. Let me think of a song now that I want to add. Let me put Alone by An Endless Ocean. Endless Ocean. Okay, this is the version that the first thing you need to do is select the song that you want, and then go ahead and click on this arrow by the side. So let's use Favor. At this point, you can now adjust the music to the part of the sound you want to reflect on your image, right? So you can drag it to wherever you want. Once you're done, you can click on OK. I'm muting this song because of copyright. The next thing you need to do is to type the caption that you want. Whatever caption you want to add to your image, type your caption as long as you want. You know, these days you can even add links to your caption. Yes, that's one of the updates that WhatsApp status has brought. So you can type your caption. Once you're done, you just click on the green arrow that says send, and you are good to go. Your music will keep playing as long as anybody watches your status updates. Once you're done, click on send, and your status will be sent with the music that you added. Now, this works for any kind of status, whether it's a picture or a video. You can always add music to it. So this is what my status looks like, and this is how people are going to see it with the music playing, and they can also use the same music on their own status. This is easy, and you can do it in less than 2 minutes. You should go ahead and try this out immediately. So if you love this tutorial, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and comment in the comment section WhatsApp status, so I can teach you other tricks that you can do on your WhatsApp. Aside this, different tricks that adding people to lists, hiding and locking chats, transcribing voice notes to text, so many other things that have been updated on WhatsApp. If you want me to do more videos like this, just comment WhatsApp update in the comment section, and I am going to do more videos to show you more things that WhatsApp has done to update themselves. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please share this video, click on the share button, share this video, tell everyone about it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Yes, the woman with the issue of blood. Sorry, I never got to know your name, so I had to give you a name. The woman with the issue of blood. You have an issue of blood.
Jesus, doctor! Does she have to be here when we talk about this?
Really? You have far more complicated issues to think about, like your issue of blood. My presence here doesn't have to bother you now.
Doctor, the issue of blood, what do I do now?
Yes, I've been thinking of many other ways to give you a cure. It's incurable. Could you shut up and let me
What?
do my job?
I was trying to fast forward it, clearly to help you.
How is this about helping you? You're about to lose your job.
Doctor.
It's incurable.
Oh God, Jesus. What do I do?
Well, you could plug it up.
Well, she mentioned Jesus. I think it's Lisabelig now, and I see him walking around with some other 12 men, healing people, performing miracles.
Hold on a minute. There is a man taking over my job.
Apparently, there are 13 of them, the man and his 12 disciples.
Change that. There are 13 men taking over my job.
Unfortunately, yes.
Doctor, we're supposed to be talking about me here.
Well, lady, he's about to lose his hospital.
Obviously.
I'm about to lose my job. You have an incurable issue of blood. How does that sound? Like good news? Anyway, I have good news. So there's this specific place he does pass by. You just have to go there and torture the hem of his garment.
Wait, now you're sending my clients to other healers? Really?
Well, you have to look at the positive side of things. It might also be to your benefit and
Well.
mine as well.
I have a proposition for you.
I like that.
I could make your old bills disappear.
Really?
All you have to do, when you touch the hem of his garment, cut out 6 yards and bring it to me. That's it.
The scissors. It's right here.
The scissors. Take this. Now, go.
Thank you, doctor.
Of course, you're welcome. Run along now. Ah.
You're fired.